Good morning, everyone. This is Jacob, and I want to apologize for not putting out a video in a while now. I've been having some health problems and mixture of health problems, technical issues, software problems. So yeah, I'm just kind of having a rough time right now, and it's not that I haven't been thinking about you guys. Yeah, I'm just kind of going through a rough time, and just ask that you bear with me. Don't want to really go into details about it, but I had a comment from someone, Electrocat, and they wanted a mother and child tutorial, and I did the sketch. It's a kind of like a mother and child type thing, and so it's on my mind. I definitely want to be making tutorials, and I come on YouTube every morning and listen to music and read my comments and try to reply. And definitely got you guys on my mind. Uh, so please bear with me, and hopefully be feeling better and be able to get some tutorials out to you guys. So sorry, it's kind of a short message, but that's where I'm at, and I just want to let you know. Thank you.